Hello there. In this video, we will talk about a few ongoing challenges in the fashion business. The fashion industry is known for its significant environmental footprint, including carbon emissions, water usage, chemical pollution, and waste generation. At the same time, ensuring fair wages, safe working conditions, and ethical treatment of workers throughout the global supply chain is an ongoing challenge. Fashion brands are expected to adapt to changing consumer behaviors, manage supply chain effectively, and create engaging customer experiences. Let's discuss the top 8 challenges that fashion industry is facing right now. The first one is the problem of sustainability, greenwashing, and textile waste. Fast fashion's emphasis on low-cost, disposable clothing leads to shorter product life cycles and increased waste generation. The next fashion industry challenge is supply chain management. Unfortunately, supply chain operations will continue to be disrupted by ongoing geopolitical conflicts and extreme weather related to climate change. The third issue is product lifetime management. A growing number of fashion brands are adopting PLM systems to efficiently manage and track the development of their products. The next challenge is the changing consumer desires and garment fit issues. Fashion businesses must make adjustments in order to meet the needs of the new clientele if they want to remain relevant. Cyber attack resilience is another important challenge that modern fashion brands are facing. Fashion retail is the fourth most targeted industry. The next big issue is the inflation and growing raw materials prices that are causing supply chain disruptions and macroeconomic instability. The ongoing hunt for skilled staff, challenging for years, will be the key problem of the coming years. Time to market caused by delays and inefficiencies in product development is another challenge that fashion businesses will need to overcome. Visit our blog to understand how fashion businesses can prepare for and solve these problems effectively.